In today's video, I will teach you how to do line art in Gimp. Let's get started. There are two ways you can do a line art in Gimp, one with a freehand and one with an image basis. First, open the canvas that you would like to draw on. To do this, go to the menu bar, select New or press Ctrl-N on your keyboard, and input your desired canvas resolution and size. There's also an option to use a template of canvas for printing in different web sizes. You can also choose the background of your canvas in the Fill With section. Once you're satisfied, click OK. Now, on the toolbar, select the paintbrush option or simply press P on your keyboard for a quick tool switch. But Gimp also has a My Paintbrush option, which is better and has more realistic brushes than the default brushes. Here, you have an option to make smooth strokes, and you also have a wide variety of realistic brushes that you can customize freely depending on what you're going for. Once you've adjusted the brush settings, you can now freely draw whatever you want on the canvas. If you wish to erase your drawing, you can either enable the Erase with this brush option, or simply switch to the Erase tool by simply pressing Shift-E on your keyboard and use the shortcut key Y to go back to My Paintbrush tool. Gimp also has a Symmetry option, which can be handy for abstract art. Go to Windows, Dockable Dialog, and select Symmetry Painting. You can either set it to Mirror or Mandala and adjust each parameter depending on what you're going for. Now, if you have an image that you want to draw, you can simply open it on Gimp. Once the image is uploaded in Gimp, go to the bottom of the Layers panel and click the Create New Layer option. Rename your new layer and set the Fill With option with transparency. Once you've adjusted each parameter to your preference, you can now click OK. Now, before drawing, make sure to select the new transparent layer. Now, go to the toolbar and select the My Paintbrush option once again, or simply press Y on your keyboard. Now, select the brush that you would like to use and start drawing the outline of your subject. Make sure to also add some details and dimensions to your line art to make it livelier instead of being too plain. Now, if you would like to save the line art to your computer, you can add another white layer first, delete the image layer, and drag the new white layer under your drawing layer. Now, you can save it to your computer by going to Files and select Export As, or simply press Shift-Ctrl-E on your keyboard. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.